Most of us don't spend much time thinking about the size of our bladder until we're in a situation where that familiar pain starts beneath our belly button and we have no clue where the nearest toilet is. We all know this is our bladder's way of telling us it's carrying more liquid than it wants to be, but how does this liquid we call urine end up in our bladder in the first place? Whenever we eat a meal, the fluids are absorbed inside our gastrointestinal tract, which is the long continuous tube that starts at your mouth and ends at your anus. The absorbed fluids enter our blood, which is transported to the different parts of our body. But one organ the blood loves visiting is our body's filtering factories, the kidneys. These two bean-shaped organs are found at the back of your gut, and they deal with a lot of blood, filtering approximately 170 litres of blood every single day, which is enough to fill 2 average-sized bathtubs. When the blood enters the kidney, it is filtered through tiny tubes called nephrons, and each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons. The blood gets into the nephrons through a bundle of blood vessels known as the glomerulus. The wall of the glomerulus acts like a sieve to the blood, only allowing parts of a certain size to pass through. For example, the red blood cells, which carry oxygen and give blood its red appearance, are too large to fit, whereas smaller molecules like glucose, water and amino acids can easily squeeze through. Once the blood has been filtered through the glomerulus, it is now called filtrate. The nephrons will then decide what parts of the filtrate should be kept or removed depending on the body's specific needs at that moment in time. If we haven't been drinking enough water during the day, our nephrons will let more water leak out back into the blood so it can be used by our body. Likewise, if we've been drinking loads of water, our nephrons will be less leaky so that the excess water can be removed. Once the filtrate is passed through the nephrons, we can now call it urine. All the nephrons come together to form one large tube known as the ureter, which allows the newly formed urine to drain from the kidneys into the bladder, where it is stored before we can head to the toilet to remove it from our body. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe for a new video every Saturday about the science of everyday life.